Alright, hey guys, we're doing some more Soldier Front 2 gameplay today. I do have a friend on here, but I'm letting him use my other desktop, and I forgot that I redid it a while back, and it does not have Skype on it yet, so he's not going to be talking to us, but I do believe he is on our team. Yes, he is. He's running around on our team right now. I don't know how things are going to go. I haven't played since the last video I did, and this room's actually filled up with some people, so I don't know how this is going to work. I might get my butt kicked. I hope not. And, like always, enjoy the videos and leave a like. Apparently, I'm not doing as bad as I thought I was. And, oh, I was just shooting at him. He's over there. Don't know why he picked that name, but he picked it for some reason. I don't know why. What the heck? Oh. It saved my life. Alright guys, I know I get kind of quiet when I do my videos. I don't really talk a whole lot. I try to focus when I'm alone. I don't really have anything to talk about unless there's someone else in the game with me, or talking to me too, so I just kind of zone off and get into the game a lot and do what I'm doing. Try to talk to you guys as much as I can. I am going to upload a Battlefield 4 video the other day. I did have one to upload, but I realized that it was too long after I went and tried to post it. It said it was too long, so it didn't quite work out. Oh, that frame rate droppage. And hopefully I can get things going like I need them to soon. If you guys have anything you want to talk about, just leave a comment, and I'll definitely talk about it in my next video. Or I'll give you my Skype information, and you'll call me on Skype, or I'll call you, whichever. And I do try my honest best in these videos, no matter how it looks. I actually do try really hard. I may get my butt kicked, but that's mainly because I'm not that great at these games. This one's pretty easy because most of the people on here haven't ever played a first-person shooter. It's for low graphics. It's for computers that can't really handle it. My computer can really handle this game along with a couple of others, and it's just really fun. It's pretty fun for a low graphics game. I mean, you can go out and you can just play it, and it's free too. It's free on Steam. You guys can always count on that I usually don't pay for games unless it's like Battlefield or something. It's pretty obvious I paid for that, but like Rust, I paid for that one. I did pay for Minecraft. That was a long time ago. That was great. I'm out of ammo though. Let's see, what is this? It's an AK. Pick that up. Oh, he knew I was there. Alright. Holy crap. Pwnage. Oh, God. I'm not getting things done there. Alright. Come here. Come here. Fuzzy buddy. Die. Oh, so bad. I'm gonna ride the trolley over. Should jump off before it gets there. You want to do that. Ooh, I got an assist. Just completely stole that guy's kill there, but he'll live. Alright. Let's run this way and see if I can't get an amazing pistol headshot again when I run out of ammo. Obviously not. Oh my god. I'm actually not doing too bad there. Kinda doing pretty good. Whoa. I can kick people. That's cool. That's new. What was I doing? Oh, I was killing that dude that killed me. Let's go find him. Amazing pistol headshot again. Oh, reload! It's totally worth reloading. Ow, he can flashbang me. Oh my god, I don't even know what happened there. Good gosh, that was it's pretty bad. I don't even know what went on. Whoa. I wonder how much HP he had left. Oh, this is probably one of the best games I've ever done. Killed that AFK guy. That's right. Shot that dude in the face too. And it's actually turning out to be some fun. Swear to God, if that was a flash grenade. I don't think I'm going to play to the full 40,000 on this video. I just wanted to do some more gameplay and get one video uploaded early today. That way I could upload one tonight and have a couple videos up on the same day for you guys. And I do actually think me and Kekleo are testing his dungeon thing soon. I think he was waiting for something to update on it. I'm not sure. I have to get back to him on that. I got an assist and I thought I killed him. Didn't kill that guy, but I got an assist. I got a few shots left. Someone killed him. Oh, God. Probably shouldn't have been standing there. Alright. I actually think I'm going to cut the video off. I will inform you guys on the later video that I do today if whether we won or not. But just a quick review. My score's 19 and 10 now. I'll tell you what it was later. And I'll keep working on these. Make sure I do a Battlefield 4 one today probably. And definitely doing a Rust one at some point. Probably sometime after 5. And, oh wait, never mind, the video's over. Alright guys, well I'll talk to you later. Have fun and make sure to leave a like below.